Hello everybody, once again with a new video. I'm here, and in this video, nowadays I'm more focused on my English journey because I want to be more better at it, and I'm going to give my IELTS exam. So let's see. Like, I'm very excited to do that, but I didn't book yet, but I'll book it. So nowadays I'm learning a lot of new things on, what, it's a journey, guys. When we are continuously, speaking, in the meantime we are learning a lot of new things in the meantime. What is this? This is a prepositional phrases that I am going to give you 20 prepositional phrases, and also I'll give you the idea like what is prepositional phrases in this video. So if you are here to improve your English, you are on the right video, and in the right video, whatever, I don't know. Okay, you can make me write in the comment box. So let's see what happened, and I'll give you a surprise also in the between this video. Make sure you watch it till the end. I'm very happy to make video for you all because my motive is just to share my experience, that what is the new thing that I am learning throughout the day or every single day. So I'm sharing all things. So nowadays I'm learning prepositional phrases, and I'm remembering or recalling or learning, you can say. So without wasting of time, let's get started. I'll give you the 20 prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases is nothing but just a kind of sentence that will be better for you. And in this video, I'll give you the examples also that related to that particular, phrases. Prepositional phrases. It's really important because, a lot of native speakers are using these things, and that is the thing. When we are when we converse with someone, that time we have to use lot of new things that can connect our sentences, two sentences. So like you are saying that मैं खाना तैयार करूँगा, इस बीच आप आराम कर सकते हो. So इस बीच, what is this meaning? So in this way, like, I'll give you the 20 most popular or most important prepositional phrases. So make sure you watch it till the end, and I'll give you the surprise in between this video. So number one thing, in the meantime, इस बीच, I'll get dinner ready. In the meantime, you can relax. मैं खाना तैयार करूँगा, इस बीच तुम आराम कर सकते हो. In the meantime. Yeah, I'm coming to your house. In the meantime, you can ready. मैं आपके घर आ रहा हूँ, इस बीच आप तैयार हो सकते हो. क्योंकि वो लोग जा रहे होंगे कहीं पे घूमने. अपन को क्या है, अपन को पता, अपन को ध्यान रखना है इन द मेन टाइम. इन द मेन टाइम. ओके, द सेकेंड वन इज ऑन द अदर हैंड. ऑन द अदर हैंड, द गुड वन. ओके, ऑन द अदर हैंड, इसका है दूसरी ओर. यू कैन डू दिस थिंग. ऑन द अदर हैंड, यू कैन डू ऑल्सो दिस थिंग. Okay, so the right example, like this is my example. So another example is the job pays well. On the other hand, it's quite demanding. एक तो नौकरी का वेतन अच्छा है, दूसरी ओर काफ़ी कठिन है. The job pays well. The job pays well. On the other hand, the job is really demanding. 1, 2, 3. The third one. At the end of the day. At the end of the day. At the end of the day. अंत में. Yeah, we were on the trip, and at the end of the day, we did that thing. We did those things in the way. Another example is, at the end of the day, what matters is your happiness. दिन के अंत में जो चीज़ें मायने रखती है वो आपकी खुशी है. ओके, मैं भी यही चाहता हूँ कि आप खुश रहें. जब भी आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं मेरा, तो आप अच्छा महसूस करें बस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. फिलहाल. For the time being, I'm just making videos. फिलहाल मैं videos बना रहा हूँ. Okay, the another one is, I'll stay here for the time being until I find a new apartment. मैं फिलहाल यहाँ रहूँगा जब तक मुझे नया घर नहीं मिल जाता. I'll stay here for the being time. For the time being, make sure you do this. You can't, make it a bit difference. You can't make any difference in this sentence. For the time being, okay? And the next one is, in the long run. लंबे समय में. If you start saving your money, it would be better for you in the long run. If you start saving 100 rupees each day or each month, let's suppose each month, it would be better. It will be better for your future in the long time. In the long run. Okay, in the long run. The next one is, by all means. Jarur. Can I borrow this book? By all means. When someone is telling you or asking you something like, Can I borrow this book? You can say, by all means. Next one, in charge of. In charge of. It's not in charge of, it's in charge of. So it's a के प्रभारी, मतलब जो काम कर रहा है, जो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है किसी इवेंट को. लाइक सी इज इन चार्ज ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द इवेंट. सी इज इन चार्ज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द इवेंट. इन चार्ज ऑफ. आई एम इन चार्ज ऑफ मेकिंग वीडियोज. आई एम इन चार्ज ऑफ teaching you English. We can say in charge of. Next one is in favor of. के पक्ष में. In favor of. I'm in favor of learning English. I'm in favor of being loved. I'm in favor of doing that. I'm in favor of saving money. You can say a lot of things. In terms of. के संदर्भ में, like yeah, in terms of you should do this. Yeah, okay, the right sentence. In terms of experience, he's the best candidate for the job. Okay. In terms of experience, he's a good candidate for the job. In terms of making videos, I am the good YouTuber. In the terms of speaking English, he's a good guy. She's a good girl. Say, in terms of. On behalf of. की ओर से. ओके मैं पूरी टीम की ओर से बोल रहा हूँ. आई एम स्पीकिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माई ओल एंटायर टीम. ओके आई एम स्पीकिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एंटायर टीम. आई एम स्पीकिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माई एक्सपीरियंस. मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रहा हूँ. यू कैन से ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ. द नेक्स्ट वन, इन एडवांस. इन एडवांस, पहले से. इन एडवांस, यू हैव टू पे मी इन एडवांस. ओके, इट्स अ कॉमन वन आई थिंक. अंडर प्रेशर. ओके, शी वर्क्स वेल अंडर प्रेशर. वह दबाव में अच्छा काम करती है. शी वर्क्स वेल अंडर प्रेशर. ओके, इट्स गुड. इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ, की प्रक्रिया में. इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ. ही इज इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ अप्लाइंग यूनिवर्सिटीज. आई एम इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग वीडियोज. यू आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग इंग्लिश. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, इट अ लॉस. असमंजस में. ओके, इट्स अराउंड कन्फ्यूजन आई कैन से, लाइक असमंजस. समाचार सुनकर मैं असमंजस में था. समाचार सुनकर मैं असमंजस में था. असमंजस में था. आई वॉज एट अ लॉस फॉर वर्ड्स वेन आई हर्ड द न्यूज. इन रेस्पॉन्स टू. इन रेस्पॉन्स टू. So make sure you are not boring. You are not feeling bored. If you are feeling bored or you start thinking that Rahul, why you are saying again and again new words? This is the thing. This is the thing that required. If you are not feeling comfortable, if you are not feeling that, oh, I'm feeling bored watching these kind of stuff, bro, you have to take it as your studies. Let's suppose you are in the 10th standard or 12th standard and you are going to give your board exams. What you will do for that? You definitely will learn a lot of things about your subjects. This is your subject. English is your subject. So make sure you feel good while reading this subject, while studying this subject. And now, yaar, why I started this thing? Why I was making conversational videos. I was making a bit different videos. I was motivating you for this English. Back then when I started, I was motivating you a lot. Now it's time to practice, yaar. Motivation matter, but not everything. Motivation is not everything. We have to practice again and again and every day. And I thought about it. I was thinking about it. That's why I'm making this kind of videos, that you can practice with me. You can learn something good. Okay? Hope you understand. Hope you got my point. Yeah, bro, I'm your friend. I'm like, perceiving you as my friend. Like, I don't know how you are taking me. Okay. In response of, के जवाब में. उन्होंने ग्राहक की प्रतिक्रिया के जवाब में बदलाव किया. उन्होंने ग्राहक की प्रतिक्रिया के जवाब में बदलाव किया. They made changes in response to customer feedback. I am making videos in response to, you can give me a reference or you can comment on my videos. With regard to, के संबंध में. With regard to, yeah, I'm making videos with regard to English language. With regard to your question, here's my response. Oh wow. With regard to your question, here's my response. With regards to your questions, here my response. हाँ, तो सरप्राइज ये है कि I'll give you the Excel sheet of these all English phrases, 20 phrases, and you can download that Excel sheet in the description box. I'll add. If I'll not add this, that time you can comment, I'll send you. Okay, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me, and make sure you are watching till now. A lot of people, yeah, 90% of people, they went away, they go already, they already gone. Out of the blue, achanak, she called me out of the blue after many years. I was doing that thing, out of the blue somebody come to me and somebody said something. Let's suppose you are watching my videos and out of the blue your mom come. Next one is in touch with. In touch with, sampark mein. Let's stay in touch with each other. Let's stay in touch with each other. Yeah, it's a common one. Let's stay in touch with each other. आइए हम एक दूसरे संपर्क में रहते हैं. For the sake of, for the sake of, के खातिर. She apologized for the sake of peace. I am doing this thing for the sake of making money. I am doing this for the sake of helping you all. You are learning English for the sake of your job. As far as the last one, as far as my study concerned, as far as I know, as far as you know about that thing, and here's the example. As far as I know, he's planning to come tomorrow. So these were the 20 most important, or not important, like most common English prepositional phrases. If you are watching till now, you means a lot to me, and also you are passionate to learn this language. 90% of people, they just click the video and after that they's gone now. So make sure always watch videos till the end. That time you'll get something good for that video. Okay, so I'll help you. I'll send you the link of this video. This Excel sheet, it would be better for you if you want to print out. If you get the printout, you can easily learn. Okay, so hit the subscribe button, and also you can comment about this video and regarding anything. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Till then, bye bye, take care. Love you guys, love you. Keep learning new things. Throughout the day I am learning, that's why I'm getting new things. If you are not learning, you are just saying that I don't want to learn English. I want to learn English, but I don't have good partner. I don't have, nowadays I'm not that much practicing with partners, but I'm practicing with myself. I'm writing a lot of things. So make sure you also do this. Okay, I'll help you in everything. So comment and also subscribe my channel, like this video. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Till then, bye bye, take care.